Hello guys, welcome to YantraLanguage Python Basics tutorial. Today we are going to learn something really awesome and fundamental in Python. They're called as methods and functions. So for this, I'll give you a very crude explanation about object class and instance because we'll be needing that. But don't worry about it too much. These are concepts that I'll be explaining in the coming videos, but not too deep in this one. So it may seem a little confusing at first, but trust me, it will make sense by the end of the video. So bear with me, as I explain you a little about object class. So let's dive into it. So let's first understand what exactly is a class in Python. Now, class is basically like a prototype, it has certain attributes in it, which are related to the object. And an object can be anything. It can be a variable, it can be a list, a tuple, a dictionary, it can be anything really. So now let's see how a class looks or how predefined classes are, what predefined classes are in Python. So Python, here we go. And let's, say first. Now this is pretty normal. I mean, we have worked with this. It's a variable here, and we are passing a string. We are storing a string in it. So yeah, let's see. And I say now type first. So I want to know what it is. So what is exactly stored in the variable? And it says it's a class str, so it's a string and it's a predefined class in Python. So every string belongs to this class str. And what if we have this? Oops. And I say type second. It's an integer and it is a part of the class int. So these are a few predefined classes in Python. Cool till now. So we have understood that this string here or whatever that we store in a variable belongs to a certain class. It may be a string, int, float, whatever. And then we have something called as a variable here. And remember, as I said, an object could be a variable. So this basically, in nutshell, is our object. Now let's, just remember this for now. Now let's see what we can do now. So I'll say first dot upper. Now this here is a method, and if I give it a go, sorry, it was my mistake. There's a typo here. I wrote frist, so bear with me. Frist.upper is Python. So here is an uppercase, but others are lowercase. But now here they all are uppercase. So this is what we do by dot upper. Now dot upper here is a method, but we have something here. I'm doing a lot of typos, aren't I? Print, this is a function. Now you might notice something here. These both here, method and your function, both have the parentheses, right? But in a function, we explicitly give the parameters inside the bracket. And we could also have it like this, we could pass multiple parameters here. And this is a function because we explicitly give the parameters here. While, for method, we have an object, right? We have this object already created, which has something stored in it, and then we give it a command to do a task. So basically, if we attach a function, upper here is a function, right? If we have it, separated from the object, it's a function. But when we attach a function to an object, we call it a method. And both of them, so that is to say, a method and a function, have parentheses associated with them. And this is not just one function in Python, we have many other functions. So let's say we have input function, yeah? We can, say password, and then I could say, um, I want to tell you that. Right? So input here is a function. Similarly, we have many more methods. So first, the typo dot lower gives me all in the lowercase. We have many other functions. So, and we can see here. So if I say first dot r, then we have range, raw input, read line, reverse, remove, replace. We have many more, methods to it. So this is it then, guys. That's it. So of course we'll look at many more functions and we'll look into methods, classes as we go on with the videos. But for this video, let's keep it easy. Let's just first understand what exactly a method is and what a function is and how they both differ from one another. So yeah, this is it for today's video. See you in the next video. See ya.